legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be leaking. No, I'm a survivor, the last Mohicans. Rappers bore me, catch me posted on the corner like Hori, or dancing on a show like Maurice.
Welcome to day 4, and this particular step is important because, it matters. And if you don't, at least think about this, then you can find yourself in a situation that you're not happy with. You have to figure out how investing will impact your taxes and your tax filing and things of that nature. Because I'll say this, for every stock that you sell and you're making money from, Uncle Sam wants his cut. And if you go into trading thinking that you're doing this invisible act and no one knows you're making money, boy, okay. You'll be very, very surprised when tax season comes around. In fact, I just filed my taxes this year and I was not happy because I owed money. And I guess that is a good thing. All right. Uncle Sam saw that I was making some money and said, hey, I want my cut. And if you're not prepared for that, if you're not ready for that, then I think that you need to be before you even start trading. If you're successful, you're going to have to pay some money unless you're using different types of accounts, right? And that is something that you must research. I don't feel comfortable giving you that advice. All right. So do your research on the type of accounts that you can trade in and, not be taxed. There's tons of different stuff out there. I have them in my mind. I want to say them, but I will not. And that is because I am not a professional in the realm of taxes. So I just want to make sure I respect you and your financial decisions and ask that you go do your research on how investing will impact your taxes.
I'm a legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be